This is the truth. And this is the reality of BLW. I'm fake. I've been lying to you. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube, and I bet you actually thought that I was going to do a confession telling you that I don't know Forex and that I don't know anything about it and I don't know what to do and this and that. But the truth is that I'm actually starting this video a little bit funny because I'm going to show you how my signals are actually doing so far in the BLW trading room. In case you didn't know, this is my first week as a signal provider in the BLW trading room, and that the results are actually like, how can I put it? They're trash, okay? My predictions actually went all the way in the opposite direction of the ones that I actually sent. And right now what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to explain you why I actually went with those predictions. And more importantly, what is it that I'm going to do starting out this week? What were my mistakes and so on? So I'm gonna show you right now what were those signals. So if you wanna see this video, if you wanna understand how I follow signals, and more importantly, if you want to actually copy my trades, that's what people says. But if you want to know my predictions and my signals, then I recommend you to go to blwtradingroom.com, where I actually post my signals along with other fellow traders. And I'm actually super excited because this is the first week after many years of not posting actually signals that I'm posting signals myself, at least in the BLW trading room, because I've been posting my predictions in the BLW Trading Academy private group. But ever since this week, September, I started providing with signals in the BLW trading room. And I want to show you an update on it. So with that being said, if you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification for every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. Now, seriously, guys, if you want to copy my trades, because you're actually copying them, because it's not the same just sending a signal saying enter now, and some people can enter and some people don't. But the way I actually do it is that I send pending orders so that you have plenty of time to set up your pending order and make sure that you actually enter at the same trades that I'm entering. So right now, we're if you want to follow them, by the way, go to blwtradingroom.com. I'm super excited if you join me starting off Monday again to provide with signals. So right now, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at one of the signals that I actually sent this week. Okay, so here we are. Let me just go ahead and go to daily chart, which is where I actually see it. And here's the deal. When I actually see a signal, the first thing that I actually look at is the trend. Second thing that I actually look at is at retracement. And more importantly, what I see is what are the highest and lowest levels of the week and month. So the trend is right here, right? And we also have retracements here, right? So we had do I have drawing things in here? I don't think I do. Okay, so once you see the price actually going up right here, it dropped a little bit and then boom, another retraction, boom, another retraction, boom, another retraction, and so on. Now, how do you identify a retraction? Usually it's followed by two candles that are opposite to the trend. So you see these jump right here, then two red candles, and then boom, then two red candles, and then boom. Here, one red candle and the other one was green. So it was supposed to drop. Okay, now over here we have another like two candles in green, then two candles in red, and this is a good support level that actually is being respected. So what I actually did is look at the levels on the weekly and monthly chart, and this is the weekly chart, for instance, and this is a good resistance level. The actual candle of the week actually reached that level, but then it started dropping, and this is where's the support level that I actually chose? Is it somewhere? Okay, here it is. So it's right here. This is the support level. And if you notice, it was respected here, here, and here as well as a resistance, even though this is from 2017, right? And then we go to the daily chart and we understand, okay, here is a good entry point. And I actually sent it a little bit above, thinking that it was going to be a huge jump because of the two red candles, but unfortunately it wasn't. Nevertheless, if we go to the 1 hourly chart, we're going to realize that we are in high risk right here, because the uptrend actually started to become the downtrend, and then a new uptrend, and then boom, here there is another uptrend that was not respected. Now here's the freaking part, and I'm gonna make a video in regards to candlesticks, psychology, and so on. But what I wanted to show you is that this uptrend here, it didn't become an uptrend, downtrend. So it started jumping again, then it dropped back up, back down, and here it respected this new support level and it jumped back up. Here we have kind of confusion. We're gonna need to see what happens during the weekdays on Monday, during the 4-hour candles on Monday, in order to see if we continue with this trade. But this is one. And right now, let me show you the document. So I have my own signals control right here. And yeah, you're looking at minus 212 pips. So we're in negative balance out of, let me see, 10 trades. We have 4 that already closed negative, 1 minus 20. This was a scalping. The other ones the other one I told you to close it minus 15. Then this is the big one, 92 and 85 pips in loss. But we have more positions open. Here are the other positions that we have open. GBP USD, which is the one that actually got people freaked out. Even I had to remove a member of the group because he was too negative to be in the group. He was always like complaining, oh, I'm in loss and I'm losing money and so on. And I completely understand like that you're freaking out and so on, but you gotta put it together. You know, you gotta understand that we're not doing this just to affect you or anything, but what we're doing, in fact, is we're analyzing the market. So I trust my predictions, all right? Even if I lose some, what you gotta keep in mind is that you have to be confident of your predictions. The market can go in the opposite direction, but you gotta be sure of your predictions. And these same predictions actually have given me 600 or more pips during just 1 week. So this week, we still have some pending positions. In fact, let me go ahead and open my broker and show it to you. But take a look at GBP USD, had all this down. It didn't get close to the stop loss, but then it jumped back up. I was hoping this resistance to actually be respected, but it wasn't. And right now I'm expecting to jump at least up until this area right here. And this is my primary account. Let me go ahead and check my secondary account, which is the one that I'm using. And I'm gonna go to the open positions, and this is what I have. These are the trades that I lost, and this is what I have. Where is it? Okay, here we are. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. These are the pips that we are in negative. This GBP USD got all the way to minus 140 pips or something like that. And that's when that person freaked out and actually I kicked them out of the group. But take a look at it. Right now we're minus 58 pips in GBP USD, which is actually going in the opposite direction that I thought, but I'm sure it's going to drop. Then we have Euro USD right here with minus 14. Then GBP, we have one winning because I sent the other one on the other support line. And AD USD the same. We have one winning and one losing because I actually sent another prediction. This is where I sent the other prediction. Now it started jumping and we're winning one and losing one, but we're still waiting on that one as well. And the last one, AUD USD, same thing. It reached another support line. I actually told him, hey, enter right here. This is a good support line, and then started jumping back up. Hopefully it continues that way. We're looking at a daily chart. And the last but not least, USD CHF, actually right here, it's getting close to it got close to the stop loss, but now it's expected to start dropping in this downtrend. The one that we actually lost is Euro USD and this one. And this is the worst part. Take a look. I don't really trade using stop loss, and the reason why is because I'm confident about my predictions. And if you notice, this one actually reached the stop loss, but then it started dropping, and right now it's super close to the entry point. So that means that this is going to drop back down, and the signal itself is going to be in the money. So I actually set my stop loss on that trade, and that's the reason why I lost it. But if you notice on the other ones, I don't have a stop loss. So even if we lose the trade, because you follow the exact stop loss that I actually shared in my signal, I'm still gonna have those trades open because I trust my predictions, right? So this is the first one we lost, and this is the second one we lost, Euro USD. But because I actually thought it was gonna continue jumping, and then it drew back up, back down, and I have lost that trade. So far, these are the predictions that I have shared. Right now during this week, I don't think we're gonna continue sending signals until at least we close half of the ones that we have. I usually trade long-term, at least swing trades, and I'm super confident about the trades, honestly. And I'm happy that on the live chat, on the group chat, actually inside of the BLW trading room, we had a awesome discussion where I asked you, hey, what do you guys think about these predictions? Hey, what do you guys think about what I did wrong and so on? And people were actually learning in regards to what happened here. In addition, and before I actually continue, I'm gonna have below in the description of this video the only link to the only Telegram channel that is trusted. The only one that is for BLW, because there is one that is fake. I actually exposed them right here. It's a fake Telegram channel with almost 500 followers. So if you follow that scam, it's just gonna be up to you. This is the scam Telegram channel. Once you join the official Telegram channel below in the description, you're gonna be able to actually also report it. I would really appreciate if you can report it because it's scamming a lot of people. So here I actually shared the predictions and said, hey, on USD CHF, this is why I'm actually confident that it will continue dropping. I showed the weekly chart. Same thing I did with the GBP USD. I told him, hey, I know it's going to jump, and it did jump. Actually, let me see if it jumped. GBP USD. There you go. Take a look. It was right here when I actually shared the picture, and then it jumped. Where is it? There you go. You see? So it jumped, and I said the same thing about AUD USD. It jumped again as well. And Euro USD is kind of right there. Let me see, where is the Euro USD? When I shared the picture, it was around right here, and then it jumped back up. So I'm confident about my predictions, and hopefully you're trusting me as well. Don't worry, I'm not the type of trader that just posts signals and don't trade. I place my trade first, and then I tell you what I place so that we can make money together. So if you want to follow my signals during this week as well, I'm planning a strong recovery in this specific week of the only 2-3 trades that we actually lost. The one for 15 pips, I mean, I don't even count it, but I always aim for 80 to 200 pips. So if you want to be part of that recovery, I highly invite you, blwtradingroom.com. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if in case you enjoyed the content of it, make sure you smash the like button. And more importantly, if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below, and I'll go ahead and answer those comments as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.